Welcome to KiteCam learning tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about this drawing. Okay, how to draw this drawing in a Creo parametric. So first, carefully read this drawing. This arc radius is 114. Okay, and this inner circle is radius is 115. Okay, and this is also same. Okay, and then outer circle radius 41.8 and then inner 5.8. Okay, and this center to center, this circle's center to this circle distance is a 49 and this center is same. Okay, and this arc radius is a 72 and this both circle are 57.6 and 57.6. Okay, so when you draw any drawing, first you need to read this drawing carefully. This is the exercise number 9. So let's see how to draw this drawing in a Creo parametric. This is a very important. If you learn this Creo software, you need to more practice in a Creo parametric, then you will achieve your goal. Okay, so let's see how to draw this drawing. This is the industrial drawing I will prepare for you. Okay, so this way you will slowly go to higher level. Okay, so let's start. New. First of all, we will click on the new option. After that one new window is opened, and in this window we will select this part. Okay, then click on the OK. If you want to change the part name, then change this part name. Okay, otherwise this is the default part name. Okay, let's start. Select this plane and then go through a sketch. Okay, and then select, hide this and then draw this diagram as per your drawing. Okay, this is the drawing. Okay, take a short screen for more visual. Okay, take a short screen when you draw you need. Okay, so start. First this, take a circle. Okay, draw here one circle and one of the another circle. Okay, and then draw. If you click 2 times here, your command is activated. Okay, and then draw this. Okay, this way you will, first you need to define this inner circle. Okay, so starting to you will define one by one. Okay, so this inner circle is 31.7. so take a value 31.7. okay, 31.7, then enter. Okay, and then outer 54. Okay, 54.7. okay, and then this is the circle to circle distance 57.6. see this here, 57.6 center to center distance. So take a 57.6. this distance is a 57.6. okay, and then define this circle. Inner circle is here, drag and drop. Okay, and then inner circle is here. radius is 11.5 into 2. Okay, I think. Okay, and then outer circle is give this command and then define this same value 57.6. Okay, this way, and then take this circle approximately 40. Okay, it's fine. Drawing it inside drawing not given, so take a as per your concern. Okay, so draw another circle here, dump it. Okay, and then draw so you need to construction mode. If you draw this way, delete and draw a construction. If you draw this manner, then how to convert this circle to construction? Select this circle and then right click and hold it and then go to construction. This way your circle is converted. Okay, I think inner is 5 point. I think it's not given, so take any dimension. Okay, first you need to delete because it's out, and then select here, and then this radius is 41.8. out this command, repeat this command, and then define the 41.8. So let's start in this 41.2, 41.2 into 2. Okay, because diameter. Okay, and then you need to drag it this. Okay, because this dimension is not given, so take any dimension. Okay, so how to mirror is applied here. So first you need to how to apply the arc. Okay, so go through arc, first point, then second point, and then arc is this downward arc. Okay, so how to tangent is applied? Go through tangent, control press, and then click first line, then select circle. Okay, and then also is applied here, first then second. Okay, T is shown the tangent, your line is touch this circle in a point. Okay, this way apply to mirror. Okay, so select this, and so when you apply to mirror you need to take a center line. Without center line you cannot apply the mirror. So and then select this line, then go through mirror and then apply this center line. Okay, then okay, and then apply the tangent, first line then second. Okay, this way, and then draw this circle in a downward. Okay, so how to? First select this line, press the give out command and select this control, and then select this and then apply to mirror. So you need to take a center line. Okay, so this way you will apply the center line. Okay, then select this line, that line, and then arc. Okay, and then go through the mirror and then select a center line. Okay, this way, this is a very nice diagram. Okay, so your arc is ready, this drawing. Okay, the very smart work. This way you will, your time will be saved. Okay, if you want to hide this dimension, so click here and then see, need to, okay, then apply this, trim this extra part. Okay, this way. So execute this command and then zoom out. Okay, this way, slowly manner. Okay, this way you need to trim this. Okay, so apply this, be carefully, and then delete this. Okay, and then zoom out, and then also here. Okay, so some inner circle is required to draw. So draw a inner circle, this circle. Okay, so take a circle here and draw this. Okay, this way. So delete this inner circle and draw the one circle, take a circle and draw this circle. Okay, R1 is represent for the all the circles are the same radius. So see this drawing, your inner circle radius is a 5.8. So take a inner circle radius is a 5.8. Okay, this way. No, apply to normal, and then this all the circles you need to apply mirror. Okay, so first you need to select this all the circles, control press, and then select this all circle. Okay, and then apply, go to mirror and then select this center line. Okay, I think this distance is not, so control Z is applied. So draw another circle here, this way. Then apply to mirror. Okay, select one by one and then apply to mirror. Mirror and then select this center line. Okay, I think these two circles are not selected, so select again and then apply to mirror. Okay, this way, mirror, and then select this center line. Okay, this way your drawing is ready. If you want to hide this all the dimensions, select this line and then see this. Okay, so you need to only trim is applied. Okay, so let's see how to trim. Delete this segment. Okay, so go through delete segment and erase this extra. Okay, so let's delete this all the extra here and this way. Okay, and then zoom out. You need to trim this area. Okay, so apply trim this way. Okay, and you need to also here apply trim. Okay, so this way to hide this. Okay, so your overall drawing is completed this way. Okay, adjust all the dimension as per your requirement. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video.